Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Wednesday, cast iron Wednesday. The thing I was going to be cooking today, I was thinking about it, it's like, you know, it just felt like I was just throwing a piece of cheese on it. So I had to completely change my whole game plan. But hopefully it will be for the better. So I'm going to be making a cheesy beef melt. So,
pepper bacon here.
Just felt wrong not to have bacon. Alright, well I got my bacon going. I'm gonna prep my burger. A little bit all day. Little slap your mama. Why not? A little bit of garlic. This is that Costco garlic I got. And just because I had it, a little bit of cumin. Roll it around so it picks up all the seasonings left over. Now basically I want to form this like a big, like the bread I'm going to use. That should be good. Alright, so my bread is going to be from the Gold Miner Bakery. I just got this at Fred Meyer, which is a Kroger store. One of the reasons for this meal is because I got to use up the bread before it gets all stale on me, and I just bought it, so I'm making a sandwich for tomorrow's lunch. So after setting off the fire alarm yet again, damn thing, I'm not even cooking with anything really that hot either. I don't know if you can adjust the sensitivity on it, but basically just rendering out all the fat and bacon. So, getting my pans going. These are still kind of warming up, but I'm going to get my burger going. That's why I made it so big, so it would fit the bread. And then I go ahead and I want to put it in the bread in unbuttered side down, so it actually will toast a little bit before I flip it over to the buttery side where I will grill the bread. Yeah, I think that bacon is done. Fill the heat and get that off. Sweet. Nice. Nice coloration. Just waiting for the bread. Like I said, I want to toast the bottom, which is turning into, well, it's a little light, but oh, it's okay. I'm going to grill that and get the cheese on. Going with sliced American, because we live here in America, and then also cheddar, and that's part of the challenge, is cheese. Okay, timer just went off for my fries. So they're looking all right. Looking to leave them in a little longer because they're a little light still. Go ahead and get my bacon on there. Nice. Look at the patties. My seasoned patties frying up nicely. Really nice. And this guy, another flip. Alright. So what I want to do with this, I'm going to put a little, my bread was done so I had to quickly pull it. Put a little Duke's mayonnaise on the bottom. And then some beaver horseradish. I like horseradish. Nice. Make sure that burger is feels a little soft on the inside still, so. Right. It should be crazy close to being done. I think we're gonna call it done. Pretty close to the size, so. Nice. Alright, let's get those fries out. Alright, let's plate this guy up. Kind of fitting how last week was breakfast and this week is lunch. Although technically I'm making it for dinner, but let's get the fries on here. Close enough. Let's taste. Alrighty. So there we go. Wow. Man, beef and horseradish, so good together. I'm gonna sit down and eat dinner. Well, alright, needless to say, clean plate, delicious. I had this nagging feeling that like I've made this before. Maybe I have. Oh, I'm not running into repeats now. Yikes. Anyway, as always, I do appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description for Shovelhead 8's channel, plus the Cast Iron Cooking channel, and also the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. As always, have yourselves a great day. And have a great week, too.